Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of disabling autoplay videos in the Google Maps app. This feature can be helpful if you're looking to save data or prefer not to have videos play automatically while browsing locations. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. After that, tap on Video Settings. Now you'll see an option labeled Allow Autoplay. Toggle this setting to Off to disable autoplay videos. Finally, ensure you save your changes by tapping the Save button. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off autoplay videos in the Google Maps app. This adjustment can help conserve data and provide a more streamlined browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.